I'm going to show you how to go from looking like a fat slob to a lean, mean machine. Step number one is going to be eat how you normally eat. You should never exclude the foods you love. For me, I love pizza, I love ice cream. I have it almost every other day. And the day I exclude those foods is going to be the day I give up. I'm going to end up binging until my stomach hurts, and then the next day I'm going to go on cardio marathon sessions and try to burn it all off. And that's when you start forming unhealthy habits. You want to have a healthy relationship with food. Food is not the enemy. It is not evil. Okay? You need to understand that food is there to leverage so that you can get to your goals quick and efficiently. Okay? And you should never feel hungry. If you feel hungry, you need to get up, you need to go eat. Okay? And if you want to have some ice cream, that's okay. Have some ice cream. But understand that you need to eat half the tub of ice cream instead of the whole tub, because you need a portion control. And I promise you that tub of ice cream is not going to grow legs and run away from you. Okay? Understand that. And if for some reason you do need to eat all the ice cream, that's okay. Tomorrow's a new day, brand new day, and you can start over. So it might take a little while to get to a point where you can easily portion control, but that's okay. We have plenty of time. Okay, this is not a race, it's a marathon. So I want you to always make room for the food that you love. You can eat whatever you want, whenever you want. Okay? This is the foundation. This is what's going to help us get to that point where it's going to be like second nature. We're not going to have to think about dieting or nutrition or anything like this, because it's going to be second nature. We're going to be doing it unsubconsciously. And I want you to get to that point. And it all starts here. Okay? Food is there to help us out. And that's step one in this formula. Okay, step number two in this 3-step formula is going to be portion control. You have to portion control, and instead of eating the whole box of pizza at a time, I want you to eat 6 slices. Okay, then whenever you go out to get pizza again, I want you to eat 5 slices, then 4.5, then 3. So you're never going to exclude pizza from your diet. You're just slowly dwindling down the amount that you're eating at one time. And so what this is going to do is help your stomach shrink in size. That way, the next time you go eat, you're not going to have to eat so much to feel full. That is number 2 that you have to focus on if you want to lose weight. Okay, you need to portion control, and this is how we're able to eat whatever we want. Okay, you can go out and have donuts if you want, just don't eat the whole box. You can have a Snickers bar every now and then. Sugar is not the enemy. Sugar is actually a good thing. It helps replenish glucose levels, and it's actually the primary source for your brain and your muscles. So this goes back to food not being the enemy. Okay, it's the tool to leverage. That's step number 2. Step number 3 in this formula is count your calories. You have to count your calories, and why is that? Well, fat loss, it begins in a caloric deficit. So you have to know your BMR. That's your basal metabolic rate. That's how many calories you expend in order to survive. And you have to base this off your activity level. So I'm very active because I have an active job and I go to the gym 5 days a week. And my caloric expenditure is about 3,000 calories for the day. So if I'm eating below 3,000 calories, I am guaranteed going to lose weight. So you have to know that in order to lose any kind of weight or gain weight, you have to know your BMR. And why are we doing this? You have to ask yourself, why am I even starting this in the first place? Why do I care? Well, that's a question you have to answer for yourself. And that goes back to the big why. Why are we doing all this? Why do we even exist? For me, it's a passion. I love this. This is what I've been doing since I was 13 years old. And I love sharing my knowledge of health and fitness. And that's why I'm making this video, to help you get to your goals, and so that you can live a healthy lifestyle and look good and feel good. And really, that's what life is all about, is enjoying it. And you want to enjoy the process. And that's why I made this 3-step fat loss process super simple. You don't have to overcomplicate things. And I know some people, they count their carbohydrate and their fat and all the macros. And I don't do that. You don't need to do that. Okay, that's when you start over complicating things, and once you do that, it starts to become a chore. And if health and fitness is a chore for you, then my friend, you're never gonna stick with it. So again, this is super simple, easy to follow, and you're able to do this every single day without even thinking about it. So guys, that was my 3-step formula to lose weight and keep it off you. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, follow, comment, subscribe. I appreciate all that, and I appreciate all my current subscribers. Thank you so much. Until the next one, peace out.